Understanding apparel, a formal term for clothing. Have you ever wondered why we use different words for clothing in formal contexts? Today we're going to explore the word apparel, a term you might encounter in your IELTS exam or in more formal writing and speaking situations. Word type. Apparel is a noun. It can also be used as a verb, though this is less common. Meaning, apparel refers to clothing, especially outerwear or fancy attire. It's often used in a more formal or professional context than the everyday word clothes. Word history. The term apparel comes from the Old French word appareiller, which means to prepare or equip. It entered the English language in the 13th century and has been used to describe clothing ever since. Antonyms. While apparel doesn't have direct opposites, some related contrasting terms could include nakedness, bareness, or exposure. Synonyms. Some synonyms for apparel include clothing, attire, garments, outfit, and wardrobe. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how we can use apparel in different contexts. The store specializes in outdoor apparel for hikers and campers. The company's dress code requires employees to wear professional apparel in the office. The fashion designer showcased her new line of evening apparel at the runway show. Common errors in use. One common mistake is using apparel as a countable noun. Remember, apparel is usually uncountable, so we don't say an apparel or apparels. Instead, we might say a piece of apparel or items of apparel. Another error is using apparel in very casual contexts, where it might sound overly formal. For everyday situations, clothes or clothing is often more appropriate. To wrap up, apparel is a formal term for clothing or attire. It's particularly useful in professional or academic contexts, making it a valuable addition to your IELTS vocabulary. Remember its usage as an uncountable noun, and practice using it in more formal sentences to improve your language skills.